You got 4 11mm bolts. You need to remove 2, 1 from each side, and loosen 2 so that you can twist the retainers off. It's a bit of a tight fit, so it's kind of a wrench party, but you can get the small socket in there too. Probably chock your wheels and maybe set the parking brake. Maybe you get ran over, maybe you don't. Full power grab this thing, and you're gonna yank it out, get you a bucket, she's gonna bust. Ooh. The goal here is to completely destroy this left side so I can get a pair of vice grips on it and just yank it straight out. See how I'm exposing that metal lip right there? That's what I'm trying to grab. And then right here, I knocked the camera out the way with my arm and didn't realize it, so I missed the money shot. But hey, we're back at it with a block of wood. That's just pressed in there with my hand. I put moly grease all around the outside of it and inside the hole. And then I used the leaking fluid on the inside for lubrication for the drive shaft portion. You just kind of feel around the outside with your fingernail and you'll know when it's seated all the way. A little cleanup action. So you need to put your drive shaft back in the same way you took it out. Either that, or you can spin your wheels around. Yeah, just push your truck around a parking lot or something until the back half matches up.